Hi everybody, welcome back to the BizTech Academy. Steve here, and this is our ChatGPT series. Today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can be used to simplify complicated theories. Okay, so without further ado, let's open up ChatGPT. So here we are on the platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, just as an example here, an explanation for the internal combustion engine. It's maybe not quite as complicated as quantum physics, but in some ways it's technical in nature and can confuse people if they don't understand all the terminology. And primarily, there's two ways that ChatGPT uses to simplify complex theories. First of all, you can use the phrase in simple terms. So, for example, explain how something works in simple terms. But then you can also ask it to explain something as if you're a child. I'll show you how to use those both of those methods now. So, if we just ask ChatGPT in the first instance to explain how an internal combustion engine works in simple terms. Press enter, and what ChatGPT will do now is give you a breakdown of the process of how an internal combustion engine works. And this is a very logical and simplified process, and very understandable to people who don't even understand the basics of mechanical engineering. As you can see, it starts off with intake, compression, combustion, power and exhaust. For those of you who know a little bit about engines, you'll recognize this and understand this is correct. And for those of you who don't, it just gives you a more simplified view of how this would work and gives you at least some knowledge of the mechanics of an engine. Now, what you can do, though, if you want it even more simple, is ask ChatGPT to explain the theory, so in this case, internal combustion engine, to a child. And you can choose the age of a child. We'll go quite extreme here, and let's say it's a 5-year-old. And we'll just type in, explain how an internal combustion engine works to a 5-year-old. And what you'll see here is that ChatGPT will then put this into very, very infantile, if you like, or junior language. So, for example, as you can read it, an internal combustion engine is like a magic machine that makes a car or motorcycle move. It does this by using a special kind of fuel called gasoline, and so on and so on, and explains exactly in simple steps and in simple language how the engine would work, in such a way that a child, or in this case a 5-year-old, will be able to understand it. Again, let's just look at the first two examples here. How it happens is, imagine a little room inside the engine called a cylinder. It's like a small box. The engine takes in air, like when you take in a deep breath, and it mixes it with gasoline. This creates a special mixture, and so on. And it's a very, very simplified way of understanding something. You should try it, if you like the principle here, try it with something that's very complicated. You try it with quantum physics, or try it with how the nervous system in the body works, for example. Anything like that, and it will really give you a very simplified and easy way of understanding these sort of principles. Very, very useful. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also press the alert button. We do release videos every day. But in the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.